All right, so this is a continuation from Sunday's video out in Coasterra in North Palmetto, and I'm going to show you the Meritage Homes 50-foot lots, 3 of their inventory homes. And just to recap, in case you didn't see Sunday's video, the HOA out here is $49.24 per month. The CDD for their 50-foot lots that you're going to see in today's video is $200 a month. All right, this is the 50-foot lots, San Marino. This is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2830 square feet. Currently listed at $448,800. Let me pan around, show you what it looks like over here. Then we will go inside and take a look. All right, so you have your paver driveways, of course. There's also another one on a different street that's about $30,000 more. All right, let's go in here and take a look. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. So you come in your front door, you have your, looks like the Redwood. So nice open entryway here. To the left right here, you have your 8-foot doors down here for your flex room here. Of course, you have your French doors. Nice big flex room here. Nice wide hallway. And then right over here, you're gonna have your 2-bedroom or your 2-car garage. And this one they were using as the model home. So you'll see some stuff in a trash can, stuff like that. But you got your hurricane shutters there, your water heater there. Because they haven't opened, or they just opened their model home. I'm not sure if it's completely open yet. But you have your half bath right here, so as you can see all the stuff in here, people using it for the model home. And then you have some understair storage right there. All right, into your kitchen here. And they've kind of streamlined everything where you have all the same white cabinets, white quartz countertops, got your stainless steel refrigerator over here. And then of course your pantry is gonna be right here. It is an electric community, so you have your electric sliding range, your stainless steel microwave here, and it is vented out, so that's nice. And then in the island, you have your stainless steel dishwasher, your single bowl undermount sink, and then your little breakfast nook area over here, or your dining room space right there. And then of course your living room right here. All right, let's go upstairs, then we'll come back down, take a look at the main, and then we'll head outside. All right, so when you get up to the top of the stairs, over here to the left, you're gonna have 3 bedrooms. So right here, you're gonna have a linen closet. And then bedroom number 1. Just gonna have your standard closet here with the sliding doors. And of course the doors come down to the 6'8" on the second story here, instead of being 8 foot like the first floor. All right, bedroom number 2 right here. Same standard closet. And then at the end of the hall down here, bedroom 3, much bigger bedroom in this one. And this looks out over the front of the home. And this has a walk-in closet with a window in it. All right, and then right outside of this bedroom, you're gonna have a bathroom over here for these 3 bedrooms. Got your Redwood there. Of course, your dual vanity. How's it going, everybody? Hope you're doing well. And then you have a separate tub and shower combo over here with a white tile around the tub. And then of course the toilet there and the door to close everything off. All right, let's head over here. Check out this gigantic loft space. Got the big 3 windows over here looking out the front of the home. You can do a lot with this. And then right over here, you're gonna have bedroom 4 and bathroom number 2. So once again, a nice sized bedroom in here. Got your standard closet. And then your second full bathroom right here. Of course, all the same finishes that we've already seen. All right, let's head downstairs, take a look at the main suite, and then we'll go outside. All right, so come down the bottom of the stairs, take a right. You're gonna have your laundry room right here with the washer and dryer included. And then your main suite is gonna be right over here. So a nice sized bedroom here. And then into your main bath. Once again, all the same finishes that we've already seen, the dual vanity. And then behind the door, you're gonna have your linen closet. And then of course your shower here with a white tile. You do have the transom window up there as well. And then your water closet right there. And your walk-in closet. You have some additional shelving right here as well. All right, let's go outside. Take a look at this lanai. I think you're gonna like the lanai because it wraps around. All right, so come out the sliding glass door. Have your covered lanai here. Like I said a minute ago, kind of wraps around the back side of the home here. So that's pretty nice. And then being a two-story home, you get obviously a bigger backyard because it doesn't take as much of a footprint. And I don't know why I'm walking back here. This grass is wet from the irrigation. Irrigation is included. Front and back. Corner pond view. And then here's a look at the back of this one. Once again, this is the San Marino. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Just got this home behind me under contract for an out-of-state client that found me on YouTube, and it's a great opportunity to give you another friendly real estate reminder that if you're thinking about buying new construction, make sure you use a real estate agent. The sales rep represents the builder and not you, and on this particular home, they were only offering $10,000 in incentives, and I was able to negotiate a full 6%, which was a little over $26,000 in incentives. So an extra $16K for this buyer, and some additional stuff, a little bit off the purchase price. He told me when we had our initial conversation, he's like, hey, why should I use an agent, instead of the builder? And I explained to him the reasons, several different reasons why. And then he just trusted me. He was like, I'm gonna let you do your thing. So I did my thing, got him a lot more money than what the builder was doing, what he would have got if he'd have went on his own. So if you're thinking about buying new construction, do yourself a favor, give me a call before you go to the builder and let me work my magic for you. Let's go back to the video. All right, so this one's right next door. This is the Modena. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2337 square feet. Currently listed at $418,000. So like I said, we're just right there, so we're just next door. So same view as we pan around. Of course, once again, you have your paver driveway and walkway, stone on the bottom. Got the shake and the board and batten there as well. All right, let's head inside. Take a look at this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. You come in, you have the 8-foot doors throughout. You have your redwood floor, nice big open entryway here. All right, this little section over here, we're gonna have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So bedroom number 1 up front right here. Of course, you have your 8-foot sliding doors for your closet, just kind of your standard closet. And outside of bedroom number 1, you have bathroom number 1. You have the tile floor in here, the dual vanity with the white cabinets, the white quartz countertops. How's it going, everybody? Hope you're doing well. Then you have your white tile around your tub and shower combo. Nice big open space here. And then down the hall right here, you're gonna have your linen closet. And then of course, bedroom number 2 is gonna be right here. Same standard closet that we just saw. All right. Nice wide hallway. You're gonna have your flip-flop closet right here. And then over this section, you're gonna have your garage right out here. 2-car garage, got your hurricane shutters in the corner, your water heater right there. So you come in out of the garage, right here to the left is gonna be bedroom number 3. This one's a bigger bedroom than the first 2 we've seen, and it has a walk-in closet. All right. So right outside of bedroom 3, you're gonna have bathroom number 2. All the same finishes that we've already seen. And then back to the main hallway. You come down right here to the right. This could be a den, flex room, formal dining room. Let me know in the comments below, what would you use this space for? And then right over here is gonna be your laundry room. Washer and dryer is included. All right, let's go over here, go into the main suite, then we'll come back to the kitchen on our way outside. So you got your main bedroom back here, nice big bedroom overlooking the pond view over there. And then into your main bath. All the same finishes that we've already seen. Got the dual vanity, of course. And then your shower is gonna be right here. You have the transom window up there as well, which is nice. Linen closet. And then right across from there is gonna be your water closet. Your walk-in closet's gonna be back here in the back. All right, so let's head out, take a look at the kitchen, and then we'll go outside. All right, so you come out of the main suite, you're right into your living room area, and then right into your kitchen. The white quartz countertops, of course the white cabinets, have your stainless steel refrigerator included. You do have, let's see, pantry is gonna be right here. And then it is electric community, so you have your electric sliding range, your stainless steel microwave that is vented outside. See that? And then in the islands, you have your single bowl undermount sink, stainless steel dishwasher, and then your little dining area space is gonna be right here. All right, let's go outside, take a look at this lanai. Come over here on the end right here. We were just right there. It's just nice wide lanai here. And then of course that corner view of the pond. Eventually there will be a home right here. But here's the look at the back of this one. Once again, this is the Modena floor plan. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. All right, this one is across the street. This is the Corsica. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1908 square feet. Currently listed at $367,800. So let me pan around. Like I said, we're just across the street, so same view. We were just right there. Of course, once again, paved driveways. You have your stone on the front here. Let's go inside and take a look at this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. So you come in, this one has the wood-like ceramic tile. Nice long hallway there, nice wide entryway right here in the front. And then over here to the left, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So bedroom number 1. And this one has the 8-foot doors. Sliding for the closet, just your standard closet. But you do have the 8-foot doors, which is a nice touch. Bathroom number 1 is gonna be right here. The white cabinets, the white quartz countertops. And of course, toilet right there. You're gonna have your linen closet right here. And then your tub and shower combo. You have the white tile surround. And then bedroom number 2 right here. Same standard closet. Let me show you that. Right. Come around the corner. You're gonna have your flip-flop closet right here. Some weather stripping up there still. And then right over here, you're going to have your 2-car garage. Hurricane shutters in the corner right there. You have your water heater over there. So coming in out of the garage, right to the right is going to be bedroom number 3. Same standard closet. And then right outside of bedroom number 3, you're going to have your laundry room. Washer and dryer included. All right. Come around the corner here, come into your kitchen. You have your white quartz countertops, your white cabinets. It is an electric community, so you have your electric, can't even talk today, electric sliding range, stainless steel microwave above. That one does vent outside. And then you have your undermount sink, stainless steel dishwasher there. Of course, your refrigerator included as well in this one. And then you have your pantry right here. Dining room space is going to be right here. You have the can light there. And then, of course, your living room space is going to be right over here. And then your main suite right in the back corner. So you have a little bit of the tray ceiling. This is actually not as thick as most of the ones I've seen. Maybe they're cutting back a little bit. And into your main bathroom. Got that wood-like ceramic tile floor again, your white cabinets, your white quartz countertops, of course your dual vanity. And then your linen closet, extra deep linen closet right there. Shower right here with the white tile, and then the transom window up there. Walk-in closet right across from your shower. And then, of course, your water closet back here. All right, let's head outside. Take a look at the back of this one. You come out here, you do have your covered lanai out here. And then this backyard looks out to the side and backyard of your neighbor. So let me turn around, show you what this one looks like. Here's the back of this one. Once again, this is the Corsica floor plan. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below.